In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find winning products for TikTok Shop live streams. The most important factor to make money on TikTok Shop is to identify the right products fast. And this comes down to having a repeatable product research process. I'll show you the process and filters that I use in order to consistently find winning products based on real data and not guesswork. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find your next big winner. So the first step is to use a research tool. And the tool that I use is called Data. And I encourage you to sign up for an account so you can follow along with me step by step. I've listed a direct link to a free trial in the description down below. And once you're signed in, this is the dashboard that you'll see. And once you're here on this dashboard, you can come here to click on Livestream. And on the left hand side, this is where you can apply filters to your search. So for the date, we are going to change it to yesterday. So we can look at the most recent data. The category, you could choose a category that you sell in. I'll just leave it at default. And for the revenue filter, I would like to put in 2,000 to 3,500. I find that to be a really good range. Click on apply. And for product source, you want to select multiple shops so that we can see data from the regular affiliates and not just from the big brands. Because what happens is if you select single shop, most of the time you will just see like the big brands that are doing the live stream themselves. So we want to select multiple shops. And then let's click on submit. And then you'll see the search results here. So here we can see the amount of revenue that is generated in the live stream. And this creator spent about 2.5 hours in this live stream. So what I'm looking for in this product research process is a product that I would personally buy. And I want to look for a product that has high GMV per hour. That's basically just the revenue that is being generated. And also a low live stream duration. And this is important because this will give you the best opportunity to outwork your competitors. Because TikTok does incentivize the creators who spend more time on the platform, specifically a live stream. So when you do that, you will have a really good chance to gain more viewership and make more sales. And let's come back to the search results. And I would try to look for a product that meets the criteria. And again, we want to look for products that have a high revenue number and a low number on duration. A high revenue number, which shows you the product is in high demand, and a low number in duration, that means your competition is lower. So I would just try to look for a product here. Okay, so let's look at this one. So this product is a high pressure detachable shower head. So there's the product here. And this creator has generated $3,200 in revenue. And the live stream only lasted an hour and 31 minutes. So when you identify a potential winning product, you can click on the snippet here and you'll be able to see the exact snippets of the live stream. So these are the different live streams that he did selling the same product. So in this one, he generated $5,700 in a 3 hours live stream. And for this one, it's an hour and 14 minutes and he generated $1.47 thousand. So let's click on this creator here and it'll take you to the creators page. So this is really useful. You can pretty much see all the metrics about this creator. But what we are going to do is to just scroll all the way down to the live stream section where it says live. So you can see that he has done 4 live streams in the past 7 days. This live stream was 3 hours and generated $5,000. 1.5 hour generated $3,000. 1 hour and 14 minutes generated $1.47 thousand. And 1.5 hours again generated $1.43 thousand. So when you average all this out, I would say the median number for the revenue, it's about 2,500 in an hour and a half live stream. So we can do some calculation here. So we can take 2,500, which is the average of the revenue number, and we can divide it by 1.5, which is 1.5 hours. So this creator is approximately generating $1,600 in revenue per hour. And we can come to this product and see how much it pays. And this product pays a 10% in commission. So if we take the same number and times it by 10%, so he's making approximately $166 per hour doing the live stream. And we can see the actual live stream example here.
You'll see there's no water leaking up there, no water leaking from the hose here. Everything is nice and secure. It is a luxury shower head set that you're getting for a fraction of the price of what you would normally pay in stores, guys, okay? 1 minute and 30 seconds to go here. This is great for cleaning your bathroom, getting the shampoo, the conditioner out of your hair, getting the soap off your body. If you have a dog or a pet you want to wash in the bathroom, this would be great for that as well. Okay.
So he's basically just demonstrating how to use the product. And that's definitely not complicated. And for this live stream, he's not even showing his face. So it's a faceless live stream. And he's definitely doing really well with this. And this is only one product out of the many, many products that you could find just going through the search results. And keep in mind that these products can change, right? Because we are looking at yesterday's data only. So new products can come out any day. So I'll just come back to check new products on a daily basis. So that's all for this video. That is exactly how you can find winning products for TikTok Shop Livestream. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next one.